Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we are going to revise the topic chemical equations and their balancing the chemical equation. Balancing chemical equation, this example number 1, example 2, example 3, yes. And we have to mark the answer of the questions in the exercise related to these topics. Question number 5.2, answer the following questions briefly. Question number part 4, what is a chemical equation? The answer is on page number 65 and it will start from this line. A chemical equation is the representation of a chemical reaction in terms of symbols, formulas and signs, etc. up to this line. Clear? Question number 5.3, differentiate between the following. Part 2, balanced chemical equation and unbalanced chemical equation. The answer is on page number 65 again. And as we have to differentiate between balanced chemical equation and unbalanced chemical equation, students, you should draw a line between these two and give heading balanced chemical equation, unbalanced chemical equation, and write down these points. For the balanced chemical equation, you have to write from this line. The balanced chemical equation in which the number of atoms of each element on both sides of the equation, that is reactant sides and product side, are equal is called a balanced chemical equation with this example. And for unbalanced chemical equation, you have to write from this line. The chemical equation in which the number of atoms of each element on both sides of the equation, that is reactant side and product side, is not equal is called unbalanced chemical equation up to this with example. Question number 5.10, write down the rules for balancing chemical equations. The answer is on page number 66 and 67. It will start from this line. Unbalanced chemical equations can be balanced by different methods. The trial and error method is commonly used. And these are the rules. And this is example number 1 up to this. And student, you should also learn the example number 2 or 3 from the examination point of view. Next, we have to mark the short question related to this topic. Short question 1 is define balanced chemical equation, and its answer will start from this line up to this. Define unbalanced chemical equation, its answer will start from this line up to this. Thank you. Another short question is balance the chemical equation of burning of methane in oxygen using the rules for balancing chemical equation. And in the same way, balance the chemical equation of a reaction between calcium fluoride and sodium carbonate using the rules of balancing chemical equation. The answer of first question will start from this example number 2, complete from this to this, and the answer of the second is from this up to this. Thank you.